In 2012, a bomb disposal expert Taylor Morris was serving his country in Afghanistan. During a mission, an improvised bomb exploded and changed Taylor's life forever.
I woke up in the hospital, everything was fuzzy, and I felt pain everywhere. I knew something was wrong.
The explosion took all of Taylor's limbs, and he was left to face a new reality. A reality where he would be dependent on assistance for the rest of his life.
When I saw him in the hospital, I was shocked. I didn't know how to react, but I knew I had to be there for him.
That's when Danielle, Taylor's long-term girlfriend, stepped in. Instead of leaving his side, she became his pillar of support.
I was scared, but I knew I couldn't leave him. I was determined to help him through this and recover as best as he could.
Danielle played an instrumental role in Taylor's quick recovery. She was by his side every step of the way, assisting him as he learned to walk again with his new prosthetic limbs.
She was my rock, my support system. I don't know where I would be without her.
After Taylor had recovered, he proposed to Danielle and they got married. Their love story is an inspiration to all of us, showing that nothing can stand in the way of true love.
Our love grew stronger through it all. I am grateful every day that I have Taylor in my life.
Taylor and Danielle's story is a testament to the power of love, and the lengths that people will go to for those they love. It's a beautiful reminder that love conquers all, and that anything is possible with the right person by your side.